Wow. Can you believe there was a cat that lived to be 38 years and 3 days old? That's just crazy. Her name was Creme Puff, and she holds the record for the oldest cat to ever live. I can't even imagine having a pet for that long. It's almost like she was immortal or something. Haha, but nah, she was just a really tough kitty, I guess. It makes you wonder what her secret was though, you know? Like what was she eating? What kind of lifestyle did she have? I'd love to find out so my future cats can live that long too. Wouldn't that be awesome? Anyway, I just thought that was such an incredible fact about Creme Puff that I had to share it with you all. Longest living cat ever at 38 years old. Simply amazing.